Section 4 covers question number 7 only. When a set of data shows very rapid growth or decay, an exponential model may be the best choice for modeling the data. Rapid growth. Exponential regression is a method used to find the exponential function that models a set of data. You can perform exponential regression using a graphing calculator. An exponential function is a nonlinear function that can be written in the form of y equals ab to the x power. You will study exponential functions in more detail later in the book. It says, enter the data for SpinCo into your graphing calculator. Enter the number of years since 2000 as your x values and the corresponding daily hits in thousands as your y values. A. To find the exponential equation that models the data, use the exponential regression feature of your calculator. The calculator should return values for A and B. Write those values below, rounding to the nearest hundredth. Then we're going to write the exponential equation in the form y equals a times b to the x power. And then it asks us to predict the number of daily hits in 2015. So we're going to go back to our calculator, go back to stat, and over to edit. We're going to add a new column, and this is going to be our SpinCo column. So I'm going to do 2.0, 2.0, 6.6, 20.9, 68.1, 220.4, all right, so now that we've input our data, we're going to go back to second mode and get back to our home screen. I want to go to stat. This time it said perform the exponential regression. So we go over to calculate. We're going to have to go look for it. EXP is our exponential regression. So we're going to press enter. But recall that my y values are in L4 this time. So see this blue L4 right above the number 4? We're going to press second, 4, and then go down to calculate. And it said round these to the nearest hundredth. So I've got 2.01 and 1.80. Because this 8 would round the 9 up, but the 9 has to go up to a 10. So 1.80. All right, it says write this in the form y equals a times b to the x power. So y equals 2.01 times 1.80 to the x. Last thing it asks us to do is to use this equation to evaluate for 2015. So we're going to plug in 15 for x. 2.01 times 1.80 to the 15 power. 2.01 times 1.80. And if we push this little caret key, we can raise it to any power we want. So we're going to raise this to the 15th power. We're going to want to round that. We don't want to write that whole number. So this would be 13,560.74764 thousand hits. On to your next set of questions.